Best places to visit Maryland, part 2. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Indrajit Naik and you are watching Travel TNN. So, in the part 1 of best places to visit in Maryland, we have discussed about 13 places to visit in Maryland, where we have also mentioned some to-do list which you can do while visiting there. So, in this second part of best places to visit in Maryland, we will going to discuss the other 5 places where you can have a look while visiting Maryland. So, without any further ado, let's start the video.
National Aquarium, Baltimore. At the aquarium's Living Seashore exhibit, you can view and even touch more than 150 sea creatures from the mid-Atlantic, like an Atlantic stingray or a pulsing moon jelly. Since 1991, the aquarium has been a model for dolphins in human care. Each day, visitors can watch volunteers take them through their enrichment activities and continue developing their intelligence. The stunning Black Tip Reef exhibit gives you the experience of diving to the bottom of an Indo-Pacific reef. Follow the sloped walkways downward to get a multi-floor view of Black Tip Reef shark, clown triggerfish, and reticulated whiptail rays. Get a closer look at the majestic creatures that live at the aquarium with behind-the-scenes tours and experiences guided by on-site experts. William Packer House and Garden. This 5-part Georgian mansion was built in 1760s by William Packer, one of the Maryland's 4 singers of the Declaration of Independence and the state's 3rd governor. Carefully restored by historic Annapolis beginning in 1965, today it is recognized as one of the finest 18th century homes in the country and a National Historic Landmark. Guided tours of the house, which features period furnishings and paintings, reveal the inner workings of an upper-class household in colonial and revolutionary Annapolis, painstakingly restoring to its original splendor using details drawn from historic artwork and archaeological excavation. The 2-acre colonial William Packer Garden is a picturesque retreat from the bustle of the city. Visitors can view native and heirloom plants while exploring the terrace landscape formal patios.
The Baltimore and Ohio Railroad Museum, short form for B&O Railroad Museum, a full affiliate of the Smithsonian Institution and the birthplace of American railroading, is the home to the oldest, most comprehensive collection of railroad artifacts in the Western Hemisphere, including an unparalleled roster of 19th and 20th century railroad equipment. You will enjoy exploring our expensive museum campus, known as the Mount Clair Shops and Station, and was the original railroading complex for the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad. Founded in 1827, the B&O had a dramatic economic, social, and cultural impact on our society. Its nearly 200 years history is deeply intertwined with the story of America and helped shape our nations through inventions, innovations, and ingenuity. Experience 2 centuries of American railroading history throughout the campus of historic buildings, exhibitions, interactive displays, and world-class collection of rolling stock locomotives, passenger cars, freight cars, and maintenance vehicles. American Visionary Art Museum. Leave your traditional perception of museums behind and visit the American Visionary Art Museum, a must-see Baltimore landmark dedicated to fresh thought, humor, and creative intuition. Featuring the work of self-taught artists, including farmers, mathematicians, prison inmates, and people with mental illness. American Visionary Art Museum challenges the notion of what it means to be an artist. If you like walking on the beat of your own drum, you will love this inclusive space for outsider art. Located at the base of historical Federal Hill, American Visionary Art Museum is adjacent to downtown Baltimore Inner Harbor. Be sure to check out the museum store slideshow for all kinds of eccentric novelties and gifts. And Cielo Verde, the museum's new cafe located on the top floor. Metered street parking is available and there's also a public parking lot on Key High. The Walters Art Museum, located in Mount Vernon, Belvedere, Baltimore, is a public art museum founded and opened in 1934. It holds collection established during the mid-19th century. The museum's collection was amassed substantially by major American art and sculpture collectors, a father and son. In 2000, the Walters Art Gallery changed its long-time name to Walters Art Museum to reflect its image as a large public institution and eliminate confusion among some of the increasing out-of-state visitors. The following year, the Walters reopened its original main building after a dramatic 3-year physical renovation and replacement of internal utilities and infrastructure. Check out the museum's calendar of events for tours, talks, and lectures, and Thursday night art making events for both kids and adults. I hope you guys like this video. If you do so, then don't forget to give this video a like. Also, you can check out the part 1 of best places to visit in Maryland from the link given in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe Travel Tenant for more such videos. Till then, it's Indrajit Naik signing out. Bye.